In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone voice on Speechify. To get started, open your browser and head over to Speechify. Once you're on the platform, the process is pretty straightforward. If you already have previously generated audio in your account, go into your library first. From there, click on the project you want to work with so you can access the voice settings connected to that project. Next, look for the voice icon and click on it. This will open the list of available voices. In that list, choose the option to explore all voices. When the full voice menu opens, you should see an option called Clone Voice. Go ahead and click that to begin the setup. At this point, Speechify gives you two ways to create your voice clone. You can either record your voice directly or upload an audio file. Recording your voice is usually the recommended option, since it gives you more control and often produces a cleaner result. If you choose to record, type in your full name, then click Sign and Record. After that, click Continue and then select Start Recording. When you're recording, try to speak clearly and stay in a quiet environment so the cloned voice sounds more accurate and natural. Once you're satisfied with your recording, click Stop Recording. You'll then have the chance to review what you recorded. If it doesn't sound the way you want, you can record again. If everything sounds good, move on to the next step. Now type in a name for your voice, choose a gender, and click Continue. Speechify will then begin creating a clone of your voice. This can take a little time, so just wait for the process to finish. Once it's ready, click Complete. And that's it. Your clone voice should now be set up and ready to use inside Speechify.